open PHP XAMPP control panel, php.ini file, open it here in your editor, and then you shall find the PHP extension like PHP extension zip and control plus F. You can find it in Windows, you cannot find it. It means that it is not present, the DLL file is absent. Now find out for other PHP extensions like intl. Yes, you can see it. So PHP extension .intl sorry, it is present here, and IMAP. If you want to enable them, then remove the semicolon, you can see there. Now how to download PHP extension zip or any other extension .dll file. Now you shall just go to any other website. I'm not recommending any. It is your own way to find which website you shall find for downloading. Download the PHP extension you are finding. In my case, it is PHP extension zip, and we shall just download that PHP extension and just download that DLL file. If so, it is being, I'm finding it, and I shall download it. And it's not only the DLL PHP zip file, you can download any other extension as well, but in my case it is now we have downloaded PHP extension zip.dll, and what we have to do is I shall just copy and paste it in my PHP extension directory. So you just rename it, or you don't have to rename it, you just copy and paste it in the PHP. You will go to XAMPP and PHP and then extension directory, and here you can find other extensions as well. See, IMAP and intl.dll files, they are present here. So just paste the zip extension which we have downloaded right now, and yes, we have downloaded. And you shall just copy the name of that file, because we have to enable it in the configuration file. So copy the name of that DLL file. You shall skip the extension .dll. Now go to configuration again. Now we have opened already the php.ini file, and we are using the simple editor. Now go to the module settings, and above the module settings you will write the name of that extension you have downloaded to enable it in configuration. We shall just write extension is equal to whatever the name was. The name was php underscore zip, and we shall just remove the .dll we shall remove the extension. Now it is enabled, so it will be enabled in this, and don't forget to save the editor file. Now come to the configuration PHP XAMPP control panel. Now restart it so that the changes may be. Now you shall go to your localhost and PHP my admin. Hope you can see all the extensions are installed. Or in other case, if you remove the semicolon and enable it, in that case they are enabled. So go to PHP my admin. Now you can PHP info, you can get the PHP info from the localhost dashboard. Now you can see all the extensions and whatever information you want.